Hi, I'm Cancryn, an 8th grade student, and I'm your future astrophysicist.
Hi, I'm Kaylee Charles, an 8th grade student, and I'm your future physicist.
We are the UVI Water Ambassadors from Addelita Cancryn Junior High School.
Many know the USVI as a beautiful place in the Eastern Caribbean, but let's share a little bit about our history. The United States Virgin Islands, officially the Virgin Islands of the United States, are a group of Caribbean islands and an unincorporated and organized territory of the United States. The islands are geographically part of the Virgin Islands archipelago and are located in the Leeward Islands of the Lesser Antilles to the east of Puerto Rico and west of the British Virgin Islands. The U.S. Virgin Islands consists of the main islands of St. Croix, St. John, and St. Thomas, and 50 other surrounding minor islands and cays. The total land area of the territory is 133.73 square miles. The territory's capital is Charlotte-Amalie on the island of St. Thomas, previously known as the Danish West Indies of the Kingdom of Denmark, Norway, from 1754 to 1814, and the Independent Kingdom of Denmark from 1814 to 1917. They were sold to the United States by Denmark for $2,500,000 in the 1917 Treaty of the Danish West Indies, and have since been an organized, unincorporated United States territory. The U.S. Virgin Islands are organized under the 1954 Revised Organic Act of the Virgin Islands and have since held 5 constitutional conventions. You can see the islands of St. Thomas and St. John. We are famous for our beautiful beaches, clear blue skies, and festivals that bring millions to our beautiful islands.
In the USVI, there's constant study and research of extreme weather and drought.
Details of a dire situation in the territory when it comes to the continuous agriculture is alerting both the farming community and the U.S. drought monitors have listed the territory as severe, hence
Researchers at local and federal agencies such as the VA Department of Planning, Natural Resources, and Water and Power Authority, along with the VA Territorial Emergency (MDT) Agency by TEMA, and the U.S. Drought Monitors, along with our federal partners at USDA, USGS, Environmental Protection Agency, and National Weather Service, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Agency, among others, who work day and night to research and study climate and the impacts of climate change so that we can protect our community. You may not know, but many of the USVI actually collect rainwater for home use, as many do not have piped-in city water, much as they do in other areas across the world. Researchers actually study data from the USVI to study climate, and no, you can't see it because we have had rain, but in January, February, and March, you can see harsh distress of vegetation, erosion, and compare these images to others taken over longer periods to determine what the impacts of droughts are in the USVI and the region. USDA and the Farm Service Agency work hard to aid farmers in the territory when severe droughts impacts the islands. Right now, we are facing drought conditions, and it appears, based on research here, the territory is heading into an earlier drought. The video of the ponds shows them filled, which is a blessing in our community, but these ponds have not been filled since 2015, and just as recent as December were nearly empty.
Remember, you can do your part to address climate change, conserve water, don't waste food, plan ahead for natural disasters, and learn about science and STEM from every inch of your community, including school, when visiting and going out in your community and become an ambassador to protect our community.
To our fellow future scientists watching today from all across the globe, we hope you enjoyed the presentation presented to you by the students from across the USVI and the nation as we learn more from NASA scientists about how we as students can join the ranks for NASA as we begin our journey to the USVI and other universities and study STEM to make the world a better, safer place for all of us.
We are the UVI Water Ambassadors.
And now, on to the national presentation. Thank you.